teaching students in Thailand.
Alright. How do you say none in Thai? My? My. Yes, is chai, right? Okay. See, I'm learning from you, and then you are learning from me. So that's the essence of learning in school. We are exchanging ideas. Okay? Alright. So next one, sound rules. Sound rules, we have the two linking sounds. The first one, the consonant plus vowel sound, and then the same or similar sound. Let's talk about the first one. Consonant plus vowel sound is when you combine two or more words together. It's called the consonant plus vowel sound. Sorry, it's plus. This occurs when the last letter of the first word is a consonant and the first letter of the next word is a vowel, allowing them to blend smoothly. Alright, here's an example. Hold on and wait a minute. D is a consonant. O is vowel or consonant? Vowel. How many vowels do we have in English alphabet? 5. And they are A, E, I, O, U. Yes, very good. And the rest are consonant, correct? Okay. So, the rule 1, the consonant plus vowel sound is like you're combining them to make it more fluent, to make it more nice to hear. Okay. When you, could you please read the word hold on? 1, 2, 3, go. Hold on, right? But if you apply the rules of sound, it goes like this. Hold on. Because you are combining the consonant and the vowel, so it sounds like hold on. Hold on a second. It's like making it fast. 1, 2, 3, hold on a second. There. Next one is wait a minute. Instead of saying wait a minute, you say wait a minute. One more time. Wait a minute. Don't divide the words. You combine it. Wait a minute. Better. One more time. Wait a minute. There. Instead of saying wait a minute, you say wait a minute. Because you are combining the consonant and the vowel sound. Like for example, this one, it's T, which is consonant. A is a vowel. So you combine it, wait a minute. Alright, clear? That's the rule in consonant plus vowel sound.